BMO SmartFolio app pricing explained what you get for your money. BMO SmartFolio is a robo-advisor platform designed to simplify investing for Canadians. Many assume robo-advisors charge hidden fees, but SmartFolio offers straightforward pricing. There are no account opening fees or minimums for registered accounts. The non-registered accounts may require at zero minimum. Management fees range from 0.70% to 0.50% annually, depending on account size, with ITF management fees included. This covers portfolio construction, rebalancing, and ongoing monitoring. Most people get this wrong by thinking robo-advisors aren't customizable. SmartFolio provides risk-based portfolios tailored to your goals, with automatic rebalancing and dividend reinvestment. You can also adjust your risk tolerance and receive regular performance updates. The surprising truth is that SmartFolio combines professional portfolio management with low fees and digital convenience, making it accessible to both new and experienced investors. In conclusion, most SmartFolio pricing is transparent and value-driven. With low management fees and integrated ITF costs, it offers automated investing that is affordable, easy to manage, and tailored to individual goals.